Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next to. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And if you also trade on other pairs like Gold USD, GBP USD, then also check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel as well. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of Euro USD in front of us right now, and the current market price is 1.1085. This is the current market price of Euro USD here. Before I proceed, I would like to take you to the chart of DXY. If you have watched my yesterday's video, then as per our expectation, DXY took support and right now trying to bounce from here. If you observe the chart carefully, then you can see DXY took support. Okay, took support as per our expectation, but market is still not going up. It means that the selling pressure is still there in the market. What is support? Support means a place of buyers. Buyers are present here. There is no doubt about it. But right now, market does not have the strength to go up. As a result, DXY is struggling in this region here. And if we just observe the particular portion of the chart here or the present trend of DXY here, then it is very much clear to us that right now DXY is under selling pressure. Overall, DXY is very bullish. There is no doubt about it. But in this moment right now, for the last 2-3 days, DXY is under pressure, and the pressure is still there in the market. So right now, though market took support, DXY took support, but the selling pressure is increasing slowly, and there is still a battle going on between the buyers and the sellers. So there is a possibility that at one point of time market will break the support and will go down. And if buyers win the game, then obviously we will see good recovery on DXY, and the up move on DXY will continue again. So keep your one eye on DXY, because the movement of DXY will be very important. Now let's talk about Euro USD. Euro USD is right now trading at 1.1085. The resistance zone that we have discussed earlier is still valid resistance zone for the market, 1.1135 to 1.1120. This is a resistance zone for the market. Okay, so if market goes up, from this level, there is a possibility that yes, market will be facing selling pressure again. But see, market has already tested this level 2-3 times already. Okay. So therefore, this time observe the market carefully, because see, this may be a resistance, but one thing you must also focus here is the market is not breaking the previous lows. Okay, so it signifies the increase in the number of buyers. So as the number of buyers are increasing slowly, so at one point of time there is a good possibility of market breaking the resistance and going up. So if Euro USD reaches the resistance zone, observe the market carefully. If you see good price rejection from above, if you see a good red candle, then only take a sell position. Otherwise do not take a sell position blindly, because there is a possibility of the Euro USD breaking the resistance and going up. And in case Euro USD comes down, then yes, we have a good support zone around 1.1015, this level, and 1.0930. Okay, this level here. So these are the important support zone for the market. In case there is a sharp fall on the chart of Euro USD, these two are the levels where we can expect reversal. So if market bounces, takes support and bounces from these levels, we can definitely go for buy position as well. But here you can see that I have mentioned one more level, that is 1.1060 and 1.1050, this level here. Why this level? Sorry, this level. Why this level is important? Because see, as I've just discussed, the market is forming new lows. Sorry, not new lows. Market is not breaking the previous lows here. So if market takes support here and goes up, it will be a confirmation to us that yes, new buyers are joining the market again and again. So at one point of time, buyers will overpower the sellers and they will break the resistance. So there is a possibility of market taking support and going up as well. And if market takes support and starts going up, then there is a possibility of market breaking the resistance as well. So in that case, do not take a sell position on the resistance zone. See, resistance zone does not mean that market will never be able to break it. These levels are not permanent, so be careful. Though we have a resistance zone, but if market takes support around this level and goes up, there is a possibility of market breaking resistance. Just keep in mind. And on the other hand, if market goes down, breaks the level, then we have good support zone around 1.1015, 1.1010, this level and this level. If market bounces, well and good, we will go for buy. So what you see, my dear brothers and sisters, whatever you do, follow proper risk management. This is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. So bye bye, take care. See ya tomorrow.